The next story, interesting, is how many people are hiring right now. So this story was of interest. Who's hiring amid the coronavirus layoffs? There's certain companies that are hiring, and I wrote them down. Well, there was a listing of them. Well, I know which companies that are in here. I read the list, but it isn't just major retailers and healthcare giants hiring in the midst of the coronavirus. Moving companies, food makers, and others say they need additional help too. So, you know something, if many of you are still on furlough and you're looking possibly for another means of income while this is going on, there are companies out there that are hiring. So I put them into my watch list today. Hold on, let's go to our watch list. What am I looking for? I'm looking for Amazon is one that's hiring. They need workers, especially in their warehouses. Blue Apron, a hot stock right now, but they put out a lot of food. Today, it's moving down. All right, I think that's a lot of profit taking. I own it, and it's a lot of profit taking. It's down 7%, but if you look at this list that I have for today, it's the only buy recommended stock. Interesting, right? What else is in here? GE, Walmart is the one that's hiring, and Target is another one that's hiring. Where's that at? So here's my companies amidst what's going on with the coronavirus that are hiring folks. Let's see. APRN is over its value. Target is undervalued. Walmart is over its value. Amazon is way over its value. And General Electric is above its value. Let's look at what stocks are moving up. There's Blue Apron. That's the stock that's moving up the most right now. And they're looking for help to put their packages together. All right. What else is moving up? Walmart, RT is above 1. Amazon is right at 1. General Electric is not, but they're high. You know why General Electric is hiring? General Electric is hiring because they need to open up some factories for the making of ventilators. So General Electric is definitely hiring as well. Let's look at these graphs real quick. All right. Let's pump up the volume. How'd that go? Check that beat. I'm a DJ. Doesn't matter. Amazon flattening out right now. All right. You know, and it's interesting, as the coronavirus is still kicking in, it was still moving higher. Right now, flattening out, doing a little bit of sideways mumbo. Watch the volume. Now, this volume makes sense that it's moving down as the stock is moving sideways. All right. The stock is moving sideways, so that makes sense. But there's that level. There's a level of resistance sitting at 1994.68. I definitely would love to see that stock break above that. But they are looking for help right now. Who else? Blue Apron. I'm loving this stock. It's in one of my portfolios. The stock has made some money. Big down day today. But even on an end-of-day basis, I love that the 3 and the 8 are still in play. I love that the earnings per share, which is negative, is getting less negativer. I like that. All right, over the last 3 months, volume has been pretty steady. I'd really like to see a pop like I did back here. But I'm fine with that. But because I have stops on it, I let that stock be on an end-of-day basis. GE, the only good thing about happening with GE is that they are hiring because of ventilators. GE has been a stock that's been in a downtrend for a minute. It bounced off support, 3 and the 8 crossed, and boom, got to a level of resistance and is pulling back. I'm not going to touch GE right now. Walmart doing a little bit of sideways mama. Well, guess what? Everybody and their mama is going out to Walmart to get toilet paper and everything. Joey, you got a lot of toilet paper at home? Plenty. Joey's got plenty of toilet paper. So Joey says if you need toilet paper, give him a call. You got them? Yeah. He got them. He's gonna email you some toilet paper if you need it. Wow. I don't know how that's gonna quite work, but I'm leaving that to Joey. Right now, Walmart, nice update today, right at a level of resistance though. Right at a level of resistance. Let's see if it can break above that. But they are hiring right now. Look at this uptrend coming off of the low. I like that uptrend. Let's see if we can break through that level of resistance. What else is here? Target. Man, Target's getting smoked, but they still are hiring people right now. They still are hiring people. You know what I like about when you go to Walmart nowadays? They set some carts in the middle so that you can take the ones that they already wiped down. So I think a lot of people are becoming very COVID-19 conscious when you even go to the stores. I'm seeing a lot of the shields up in front of the cashiers when you go to the stores as well. So everybody's trying to do their part to slow the spread. All right, so those are the stocks that we looked at of companies that are hiring right now. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.
Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.